Hey guys, we got a 2022 RAM TRX. This thing is a beauty. What we end up doing is adding the shock sensor to the factory alarm. That way you don't have to carry another remote control around and have to install a full-blown alarm for no reason. The shock sense, basically the way this truck works is somebody opens the door, it fires off. That's the only way it's going to go off. It will not go off if you bang on the window, break the window, they try to tow it or whatnot. You can literally take a baseball bat and destroy this whole truck. As long as you don't open any of the doors, the factory alarm is not going to set off. So we went ahead and added the shock sensor. I'm going to go ahead and give you a rundown. I'm going to go ahead and beat on the glass now. Just one quick punch. Sets off the alarm. Go ahead and rearm it. When you arm it again, you can't beat on the car right away because factory alarms have a little delay. They take about 15 seconds and then I'll be able to hit someplace else in the vehicle. I'll go ahead and try the other side. Sometimes I get emails, well, you only do the driver's side. How about does it work on the other side? Yes, it does. It works in the whole truck from bumper to bumper. I'm gonna go ahead and walk over and bang on the other side real quick. This thing is pretty nice, huh? Good. And for the remote start, thing will crank right up. I didn't install the remote start. That came from factory, of course, but I just want to show you guys that the shock sensor has nothing to do with the remote start. Sometimes we get emails on that too. Does it stop my remote start from working? I don't know who started those rumors anywhere. But no, it does not. It has nothing to do with your factory remote start. At least my kit doesn't. I don't know about somebody else's kit. This shock sensor add-on installation was done here in Miami, Florida by Auto Line Specialists. Our numbers are 305-298-4814. That's 305-298-4814. And if you're out of state, you can still give us a call and we can guide you how to get this installed quickly wherever you are. Thank you for watching this video.